Today we are going to get into firing up those obliques. Your obliques, if you think of your core canister, diaphragm, pelvic floor, transverse abdominis is that deep inner core muscle. Those obliques run along the outside of that canister. And we want to make sure that they are firing for rotation, flexion, all of the things that we are going to, all those positions that we're going to need to go into. First thing we're going to do is turn on that core breathing belly pump. Bring yourself into a quadruped position. From here, just take a few of those scapular push-ups to find those shoulder blades traveling down your back. Little tuck and tilt in the pelvis to find that mobility. Circle around in one direction, circle around in the other. And then find that spot right in the center where everything feels like it's got a line of energy from your head, through your spine, and out your tailbone. Tuck your toes. Take a core breathing belly pump. Inhale, fill, release. Exhale, lift your pelvic floor. Zip up, level 1, 2, and 3, up the front of the body. Lift those knees up. Inhale, put them back down. We're gonna take 4 more of those. Inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale, exhale, pelvic floor, level 1, 2, and 3, up the front. This is 3. 2 more. Shoulders down. Last one. Pelvic floor, wrap or zip up the front of the body. Okay, I want you to bring yourself up into a kneeling position. Use your core to get yourself there. So pelvic floor lifts. We wrap to come up. I want you to re-engage that wrap as you take one leg out to the side. Toes are gonna face forward. Fingertips are gonna come to your shoulders. We're gonna exhale. Core breathing belly pumps to take a lateral flexion on an SH sound. So we're lifting the pelvic floor, wrapping the core. 3 times. Here we go. Inhale, ribs and belly, relax. Exhale. 1 more. Staying on the same side. We're gonna take this into rotation, wrapping the core. Imagine that your core from your pelvic floor to your diaphragm is a wet towel, and you're gonna wring or squeeze out that water and hug those muscles close to you as you head into that rotation. Inhale, ribs and belly, exhale. 2 more times. Last one. Back to center. Put that knee down. Come down for a quick rest. Inhale, relax your core and pelvic floor. Exhale. Get the other leg out to the side. Up nice and tall. Drop this hip so it's in line with the other side of the pelvis. Hands on your shoulders into lateral flexion. Inhale. Exhale. Lift the pelvic floor. Zip up the front of the body. 2 more times. Last one. Heading into rotation. Lift, zip. Thinking of that wet towel. Last one. Wrap those core muscles. Bring yourself back down. We're gonna come down to one side, bringing that forearm down to the ground, stacking those knees underneath you. And for now, until you're ready to advance up to hands on the hip or hand in the air, you're welcome to keep that hand down on the ground for a little bit of extra oomph to get your hips up. Now, as we lift our pelvic floor and wrap our core, we're gonna press down into this arm, keeping the shoulder away from the ear. Lifting ourselves up. Inhaling when we get down to the bottom. Be careful of this shoulder here. I want you to make sure that you're also finding active engagement here and here as you zip up here. Take 1 more. Great. And then we're gonna shift over to the other side. As those get stronger, you can hold them for a little bit longer. Bringing yourself down. Hand is in front. Find that engagement of the shoulder down your back, away from your ear. Inhale, lift, or relax, sorry. Inhale, let your pelvic floor go. Exhale, lift, wrap. Lift the hips up, lower them down. Inhale, reset. Exhale. Last one. Great. And that is your foundation to work on today.